Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. And today we will be unboxing this Magsafe Powerbank from Zeera. Okay, so first, huge thanks to Zeera Wireless for sending these accessories. So we have here is yung Magsafe Powerbank, and this one is the USB Type-C magnetic cable. So later papakita ko sa inyo ano yung itsura niya and ano ba yung magnetic power cable. And as per my other videos, sinabi ko rin doon, kahit na yung product nung company pinadala sa akin, I will provide a unbiased impression or review. This video hindi naman siya sponsored. So pwede ko talaga sabihin yung mga thoughts ko on this product. Also, if you are new here to my channel, meron akong previous unboxing with Zeera Wireless. So yung item na in-unbox ko doon is yung 5-in-1 Magsafe charging stand. So you can watch it here and I'll provide a link in the description down below. So check them out. Okay, so meron tayong dalawang i-unbox here. So sabi ko nga kanina, this one is the Magsafe Powerbank and this one is the USB-C to USB-C magnetic cable. So wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Let's do the unboxing. Okay, so first to unbox is this one. Unahin na natin si USB-C to USB-C magnetic cable. So actually, based from the name, magnetic cable, kasi yung cables niya, meron siyang magnetic part. So anong benefit nun? Actually, first, madali siyang i-store. Kasi unlike the normal or traditional na cable, di ba, i-roll natin siya. This one, you don't need to, well, ilo-roll natin, pero at least madali siyang ma-roll kasi meron siyang magnet na magkakabit-kabit siya. And dahil magnet siya, hindi mo na need ng tali or cable organizer para siya magstay na neatly. And then, next benefit na I can think of with this magnetic cable is yung cable management. So, yung sa table ko kasi, meron akong metal legs. So, part nung magnetic cable, dun ko pinadaan and hindi ko na kailangan ng tape or ng cable ties para madaan ko siya para hindi siya visible pag tinignan mo. Maayos yung cable management niya. Okay, so moving on to the main event. So, we are unboxing here the Zeera Wireless Magsafe Powerbank. So, yung box niya is very simple. So, makikita lang natin is yung Zeera logo na color blue. And then black na box. Very minimalist din yung style nila. Okay, so opening the box, first na makikita natin is yung Magsafe Powerbank. Let's just put this on the side. Next, we can see the foam and under it is meron siyang note na nakalagay na explore more possibilities. The next item is the magic kickstand. So, let's put it here muna and check pa natin yung other contents ng box. And may foam uli and another note na nakalagay naman is and creativities. Then after that, may isa pang item. Next item is the USB-A to USB-C. So, apart dun sa pinadala nilang USB-C to USB-C na cable, may included na siyang cable which is to USB-A to USB-C na magnetic cable pa din. Note ko lang na ang ganda nung unboxing experience nung Magsafe Powerbank kasi actually hindi ko alam yung kung paano nila pinackage yung items do sa box. Every time may kukunin kang item, meron pa siya sa ilalim na bubuksan mo siya. Para siyang bento box. So, ang ganda ng unboxing experience. Now, let's take a look at the Magsafe Powerbank mismo. So, pretty straightforward siya, guys. It's a power bank and then dahil Magsafe compatible siya, you can magnetically connect it with your iPhone 12. So, wala nang wires. And ang benefit nun is yun nga, you don't need to bring a wire. So, kung dala mo lang yung phone mo and the power bank, then that's it. You can charge it via the Magsafe. So please note that the wireless or the Magsafe capability will only work on the iPhone 12 lineup or yung lalabas na iPhone 13 kasi for sure may Magsafe din yon. So this will only work with Magsafe capable devices. Though kahit Magsafe power bank siya, you can still use it as a normal power bank. Though yun lang, you need to connect it to the wire or yung cable to your device. So I can use this with my iPad using the USB-C to USB-C cable. So pwede pa rin siya. So parts niya lang is may button siya sa taas for on and off. Then may USB-C in or out. And lastly, yung LED indicator. Next item is the magic kickstand. So this one is a metal finish and kinakabit siya via adhesive So you have the option if gusto mo siya ilagay or not sa power bank. Pero para saan ba si Magic Kickstand? Another accessory para you can use it as a kickstand to your phone. Pwede mo siyang gamitin for different orientation because of the kickstand. Para siyang nagpo-float and ang lakas ng magnet niya, enough for it to carry the iPhone 12. And if you don't like it naman, you don't need to put it, and at least pag nagbago yung isip mo, adhesive naman siya, pwedeng tanggalin or ikabit. I'm using the iPhone 12 Pro Max and walang problem in terms of carrying the weight of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. And then last item is another cable, which is the USB-A to USB-C. Okay, so let's talk about the specs of the power bank. So si Zeera Magsafe Powerbank has a aluminum alloy, and then yung battery niya, which is 3000 milliamperes, and with the size of 85 by 60 by 10 millimeter. And then yung weight niya is 80 grams. Okay, so dahil naglabas din si Apple ng Magsafe battery pack, let's just compare the two. Well, wala ako nung mismong Apple battery pack, pero pwede natin silang i-compare based from their specification. So, comparing it to the Apple Magsafe power bank, mas slim si Zeera wireless, and obviously si Apple battery pack is color white, then si Zeera is color black. Mas makapal si Apple Magsafe battery pack compared to Zeera wireless Magsafe power bank. So, si Zeera, sabi ko kanina, has 85 by 60 by 10 mm, while si Apple naman has 3.75 by 2.5 by 0.43 inches. And then yung battery capacity nila, si Apple has 1,460 milliamperes lang, while si Zeera Magsafe Powerbank has 3,000 milliamperes. So, mas maliit si Zeera, pero mas marami siyang battery capacity compared to the Apple. Then, lastly, yung price. So, I think ito yung pinaka magiging factor when you are purchasing or choosing between the two. So, si Zeera Magsafe Powerbank cost around $49 or around 2,500 pesos. While si Apple Magsafe battery pack costs around $99 or around 5,000 pesos. So, depende yon sa exchange rate natin. So, based on the comparison, based from the looks, the specs, and the price, si Zeera Magsafe Power Bank, talaga namang very affordable, and at the same time, yung specs niya in terms of battery capacity, di hamak na mas mataas pa rin siya compared to the Apple na power bank. Actually, parang times 2 yung difference niya. And then, si Apple times 2 naman yung price ni Zeera wireless power bank. So, I think this is a good alternative. Same naman sila ng purpose. Nakaka-charge ng iPhone 12 via Magsafe. But, yun nga, yung looks and then the price, yung I think magiging factor when choosing between the two. So, if namamahalan kayo sa Apple Magsafe battery pack, this Zeera wireless Magsafe power bank is the best alternative to it, or actually best option in this case. So, things to note lang, gusto ko lang din sabihin sa inyo as early as now, before you decide on buying this one, while using it, mainit yung power bank, so iinit din yung phone mo, but as per checking their website, it is normal. So, wag kayong mag-worry na sasabog siya or puputok siya. So, yun lang. Napansin ko lang din yun kasi nga nung ginagamit ko siya for testing, after ilang minutes, uminit din talaga siya. So, parang hindi naman siya sobrang mainit. Para lang talaga ding nagcha-charge yung phone mo via the cable na nakasaksak sa outlet. Also, sabi din dun sa website, nakita ko na if you are using a bulky case, baka mahirapan yung pag-charge niya kasi kahit na dumidikit yung power bank sa phone or dun sa case, baka mas less yung charging capability niya because of the case na bulky. So, please take that into consideration. Also, yung LED indicator, 4 yung nakikita nating LED indicator. So, sabi dun sa website, dahil 4, syempre 100%. So, 25% yung per LED bead. So, yun. Parang ano lang siya. Para lang ma-quantify mo kung ilang percent na lang ba yung natitira or ilang percent na lang ba yung kailangan i-charge. So, again, thank you to Zeera Wireless for sending these amazing accessories. So, if naghahanap kayo ng Magsafe Powerbank, I think this is the best option right now. Apart sa mura na siya, ang ganda pa nung kasama or what's included. And I think benefit din yung may kickstand. Okay siya in terms of the price and the quality. Okay, so nag-post rin pala ako ng photos nung Zeera wireless on my Instagram. So please follow my Instagram account na lang din para makita nyo pa yung mga ibang tech photography natin doon. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And smash that bell to get notified when I upload new videos. So hanggang dito na lang muna ulit guys. Talk to you soon.